Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Omagoroba omuya omwanchwa omurigereria no kwigena kwa nebuna andonsia sore omagorobo ni goro motwereru eyega n'Ensoko TV oburuso bw'umugusi Chinsa ni Ikomi chabo no omagoroba na namangana Amayia asenchera yo bwenge eritariane Linet Nyambane. Ababwatani kurwa chikanisa cha Free Pentecostal Fellowship Kenya kubwaterana nebyombe byokurwanirira obwene bwa monyabantu imeyense bakorere chikambeni chomorembe ase county ya Nandi Kericho naboigo area Kisumu ase batebire ekerenga kyabo no gosiria chisegi chabere chikwenekwa ase bisaku gusase bisaku ebyo anene chingaki chobochori obonene ukwana nabariki bamangana Amayia kurwa ase ensemeyo nigobono boigo baruro kosegeta gochia ase bari bakuraria kwenekia chiroboti chabonko bachire echobwene na chitabwati gwancherera konde gwensi erio gosiria chisegi chichabere chikwenekwa.
Today we invited the media journalists and social media influencers to train them on conflict sensitive reporting and prejudice reduction. This training was very important for us as a project in partnership with the media personalities so that we may actually discuss on ways on how we can do intervention in peaceful coexistence of the communities and interventions in a way that even when they are doing messaging in terms of broadcasting or communication, mass media communication, that they should do that in a way that is very sensitive and does not incite or escalate conflicts amongst the communities living across the borders of Kericho, Kisumu, and Nandi counties.
Now that we are facing the elections next year, we are here to preach peace, peace, and peace in all the three counties through the media houses, so that we can have a peaceful election come next year. And for us to do this, we need to have them. We need to have a number of meetings together with them, so that they are taught a number of things that they may not have known, so that things may work well. We don't want a fight after elections.
Now, as a commission, in discharging our mandate of ensuring a peaceful and cohesive country, eliminating all forms of discrimination and ensuring equal opportunities for all Kenyans, we work very, very close in partnership with a number of state and non-state actors. Now, in this regard, we have been working with the Free Pentecostal Fellowship in Kenya, FPFK, through their Muroni Peace Resilience Program. And at the heart of our intervention has been the long-standing conflicts in the Nandi, Kericho, and Kisumu triangle, which you know has been experiencing a number of problems ranging from stock theft, contentious boundaries, and sometimes incompatible political and cultural issues. We have realized that as peace and cohesion stakeholders, as we head towards the next general elections, we need to be prepared so that we are able to mitigate emerging conflicts in the region.
Tokorwa ase chikaunti echo tokorana wika ase county ya Nairobi ase omonachi ebina Mohamed Walsame otianigwe koba omonachi ebina bwekigambero keigoro asomo yega okorekana ase nyumba y'oburai bwense aiga somocho Nairobi uyora gwano murai bwense William Ruto ukwana ekerekyo omurai bwense oyo nigo anyara kobaga kumukwana Walsame koba omonachi ebina obwate chimbwa chingia ekyatebire kira kigotinya obokoreri bwebigambero imeyense.
I congratulate you, Justice Mohamed Abdullahi Walsame, on becoming the 14th distinguished Kenyan to earn the singular honor and privilege of serving as a judge of the Supreme Court of Kenya since the court's establishment nearly 15 years ago. Congratulations again to all of you, Justice Warsame, my sister Jedida, and Elder Gaturu, for your earning a place of great recognition in our republic. You have my goodwill and prayers as you get on with the next step in your careers. These recognitions are very well-deserved honors and distinguished milestones. I wish you every success as you continue serving our great republic in your respective roles and as you contribute to the advancement of justice, the rule of law, and the strengthening of our constitutional democracy. Again, to all of you, congratulations and my very, very best wishes. I also extend my very warm congratulations to Jedida Wakonyo Warui and Elder Evans Piga Gaturu on the conferment of the rank of Senior Counsel. This distinction presents the highest recognition within the legal profession and is reserved for advocates whose careers exemplify excellence, learning, integrity, and distinguished service to the law profession. You stand here today because your illustrious service, rigorous scholarship, distinguished advocacy, and unwavering professional integrity have earned you a place at the very pinnacle of legal excellence in our republic. The Senior Counsel conferment rules, particularly Rule Number 7, imposes upon you an even higher calling. It demands sustained excellence in legal service and practice, distinguished advocacy before the superior courts, dedicated mentorship of younger advocates, faithful service to the Law Society of Kenya.
Togotigana na itogoswa ase ayabwatekaine na siasa ekiama kia UDA nigo kegenderete kuira emeri boigo gutingya obokoreri gose gutingya obochori ase chinsemo cha mashinani gukwana kurwa ase county ya Taita Taveta na baraikurwa ase NSMU ase bano baruro kubure guchia ase abananchi b'NSMU kwene kyangu mwakera bare omurai bwense Ruto chikura ase ntunda ya kabere eri kwene kya amunkonyora bare amagenderero gose omurai bwense achigukora amagenderero ayo anyare kubaga guchakia ase chinsemecho.
Mimi naambia watu wa kwetu na mmefurahisha jana tulipokutana na nyinyi, mmesema kwamba nyote mnataka kuwa ndani ya serikali. Ni kweli si kweli? Ni kweli si kweli? Hata mimi nikiingia kama nikiwa ndani ya serikali Vakunda, nikitingisha mti huu mwako nyani matu ndando nyasiko kwa nibele angu mwako nevada, nataka niwe mali nikitingisha mti kidogo tu hapa chini kunaanguka matunda barabara, matunda ya shule, matunda ya damu, matunda ya maji na kila kitu pale chini. Na kitu kimenifurahisha kwamba watu wa Mgange mmesema nyote mnaingia kwa tuta. Ni kweli jamani? Hebu nione tuta ya William Ruto hapa. Hebu nione vizuri sana jamani.
Harambe! Harambe! UDA! UDA! Kazi endelea maishi hapa. Muko tayari? Hebu nione tutam ya William Samuel Ruto jamani, tutam. Nataka tusiambiane ukweli. Huyu William Samuel Ruto amefanya ama hakufanya kazi? Miradi mnaiona ama hamuioni? Reli mnaiona ama hamuioni? Barabara mnaiona ama hamuioni? Affordable housing mnaiona ama hamuioni? SHA inasaidia haisaidii? Na zipo ama hazipo? Nyota imefika hapa ama haijafika?
yale mambo ambayo amefanya. Hiyo barabara inatengenezwa, hii tayari hii stima mmeletewa milioni 374, kuna college inatengenezwa hapa, kuna masuala mengi ambayo yamefanywa. Kule mimi nimetoka Maungu, tulikuwa tunakaa soko toka dunia yumbwe, tulikuwa tunakaa soko mbovu. Leo hii tumewekewa soko ya milioni 70. Pale Voi tumewekewa soko ya milioni 400. Barabara ya Kasigao tayari contractor anaendelea. Barabara ya Sagala tayari kazi inaendelea. Kwa hivyo jamani, nataka kuwauliza nyinyi wa Taita, vile Ruto amewaua na maendeleo, kwa nini msijiunge na chama yake na vile vile mkampatia 2 term?
Nakurwa ase ensemo yechigosori etimu yenkoyo ya Shabana nigo yeroberi bwikirani bosibwe enkoyo ye timu ya Ulinzi Stars ayonkorengana ne coach ye club ya Shabana Osborne Monday yotebire nigo berobeti kigima ase gosori yo erebosio.
Maandalizi iko poa, at least the boys wanajituma hapa kwa mazoezi na wanaelewa game approach ile tunaenda kucheza over the weekend. Ni watoto wana develop haraka sana na understanding yao ya game inakuwa iko juu, so tumewaleta pia wapate hiyo experience, na wakijiprove pia it's a good position to bring them on board. For me sioni kama itaathiri kitu yoyote, sababu imekuwa ni kitu inafanyika all over the world, so it's just a matter of good preparation and good approach of the match, then we see what will happen over the weekend. Majeraha zimekuwa but wanaanza kurespond vizuri according to the doctor's report, na some of them ukiangalia wameanza kurudi, the likes of Mazembe wameanza come back so well. Matumaini yangu as a coach niko very positive because tunacheza home again. I'll urge the fans to come in large numbers to support the boys, because process inazidi vipoa na wanazidi ku understand whatever we want during the match, na everything ita come out so well for us.
Na wikiragabo omurigerere bwensoko no togukorera Amayia ase nchira yobwenge ye Chinsa Ikomi ayo amona yanda mango guchikumirana na Ishmael Mogere ense yamo na wigo Chinsa isato asara chikoba ukumanya ase nchira yobwikira nunara abega gwateka bari bene kichibiche chiga na amariuge ngo wikirare ase nchira yobwikirano Felistas Kabendi na wigo Kelvin Mogoi na nchengoro kwa Linet Nyambane na kuganirio gendere gutwara oburigereri boro obuya.